Hey everybody, this is Tamika Fit Helena. I don't know why this thing is so close to my face. I want to show you how to make a detox poop bag, okay? So this is for people that's on a serious detox where you're going to be running to the bathroom and you're going to be diarrheaing like crazy. You know, one of those programs like Healthy AHA Plus have a detox program for $65. And it's for 30 days, and it will clean you out. It's a total body detox. And also Dr. Sabi has a detox package, and I think it's like $250, something like that. $2.99, two something. Anyway, and D Herbs has one. You're gonna have the runs. And Robin Anthony has a program as well. I can't remember what happened on hers, if I had the runs or not. Anyway, this is for people that's on a strong, serious detox program. I just named the ones that came to my mind that I know of that's very, very strong. And you will be on the toilet like, you need to make a bag for these type of detoxes. So let me show you how. Now, primarily, men do these detoxes too. I don't know how y'all will make this work for y'all because you're going to need what I call a poop bag. I got a makeup bag, okay? This is a makeup bag that you carry your makeup in, and I just made it to put my personal items when I go to the bathroom. So, you want something stylish. You don't want to have something that's a regular bag walking to the bathroom. It's going to look a little obvious, but you need some type of stylish bag, especially us ladies. I don't know what the guy's going to do, but y'all can improvise how y'all do. You're going to need some baby wipes, okay? Get the baby wipes. Do not get no feminine wipes. It's going to cost too much because you're going to use a lot of wipes. Get some baby wipes, okay? You put the baby wipes in there. You're going to also get some toilet spray, some poo-pourri. You're going to need it. You're going to have that in your bag. You're going to also have, put some hand sanitizer in there as well. And you only want a small bag. You don't want none too big. But whatever's going to float your boat. Hand sanitizer needs to be in there. And I'm going to tell you the process of how to use this stuff and what works. And you want some type of oil. Now, this is a massage oil. It has a good fragrance to it. And it's a strong, not too strong, but it's a strong, good fragrance. Okay. I'm going to tell you why you're going to need something like this. So you got everything up in there. All right. So here's the deal. You got to go to the bathroom. You on the toilet. When you diarrhea, you flush as you go. And it's still going to smell up the bathroom. But by the time you finish this process, you're going to be good to go. The detox programs that I named are very effective, very strong, and they're whole body detoxes. It's just not simply just a colon, but it's a whole body detox, okay? So toxins will come out. What I have found that has happened several times and with other people, you can go to the bathroom and detox, you wipe. And after you finish using the toilet tissue, now you're going to finish up with your wipes. Okay. So not only are you going to wipe between your butt really good, but you're going to also take wipes and wipe both your butt cheeks. And I'm telling you this for a reason. Take one, wipe the butt cheek, and you're going to also wipe the other butt cheek, okay? I'm being very detailed for a reason. You cannot skip that process, okay? Because if you do not wipe those butt cheeks with these wipes, you will carry a scent. Because you're detoxing. You will carry a scent, and you will be sitting there like you can wipe till nothing comes out again. And that odor will be it's still on your butt cheeks. You know, of course you ain't got no poop there, but that odor will still be on the butt cheeks. I'm telling you what I know. So I'm trying to help y'all out right now. So not only that, you can wipe, but you're still gonna have to take it another step further. All right, you done with the wipes. Now, what you're gonna do is, at this point, you're gonna take hand sanitizer and you're gonna sanitize your hand. Or, you know, you can take a wipe and wipe your hands off first. I'm doing this, telling you this for a reason. Just follow these directions. Take a clean wipe, wipe your hands off. Trash that, and you know, these don't go down the toilets, man. These don't go down the toilet. Go down trash. After you hand sanitize, after you wipe your hands off with one wipe, then you're gonna put some hand sanitizer on. You can have a spray hand sanitizer or the regular one. You're gonna sanitize your hands, okay? Now, this is why you're sanitizing your hands. Why you doing that? And after you flush the toilet, you know already flush the toilet and everything at this point. Your pants still down, okay? Keep your pants down. Spray this stuff in the toilet. You only need like what, 1 or 2 sprays. Spray this in the toilet. All right. Now the toilet is being refreshed. Take this oil right here, or if you create your own oil, make sure that you have a strong fragrance. Okay. This is a massage oil. It smells very natural and zen. I can't explain it. But don't smell like flowers or not. Don't get none that smell like flowers. This is a massage oil. Take this massage oil with that 1 or 2 pumps and take it, and you're going to put it right here. I'm telling y'all, do this. You're going to put it on your butt, okay? After that, you done. Zip your bag up, walk on out, and go wash your hands with some soap and water. When the next person walk up in that stall, they would not smell poop, and you would not have a poop smell. You done washed as much as you could, and nothing's left on you. You're clean, you're smelling good. When you walk past people, nobody gonna be like, no, you're not gonna have a scent at all. And if you want to be extra, you can take that poop spray or whatever fragrance, another ass spray that you may have, and if you want to, you can like hit your pants 1 time. You don't want to overdo it at all. You can hit it 1 time if you want to. If you just a little paranoid like I was sometimes, you can do that, and you would take that bag every single where you go while you're on a detox, because those full body detox is no joke. It is no joke, y'all. I hope this helps somebody. It's something I came up with because I learned the hard way. And I'm like, I done did all I could. I had to wipe till there's nothing left. And that smell just lingers on through your pores. Like it's just stuck to your cheeks. So yeah, you can do that. Hope this helps somebody. Subscribe. I'm about to start a fast, a water fast by Electric Food. So the Detox Now, Coach Jesse, Dr. Amsu, and Dr. Amun. All right, y'all. Peace.